Greetings and welcome to this demonstration of the newly updated eNET Select version 10.1 web-based software, a shop floor machine monitoring, DNC, and messaging user interface specifically designed to work in conjunction with the main eNET monitoring and DNC software. eNET Select does not require any internet connection and can easily be accessed via an IP address and a web browser on any computer, tablet, or smartphone that is connected to your internal Ethernet network. With the main seat of eNET software open, we can just use any web browser and go to the updated eNET web interface. This is the landing page where eNET's machine monitoring customers can access the HTTP Advanced Machine Monitoring Dashboards, or a carousel of monitoring dashboards, or choose the eNET Select software. After clicking eNET Select, we'll need to enter our username, followed by the login button. This takes us to the user interface for machine monitoring, which we'll examine from the top down, starting with the machine section. Here, we can choose which machine we want to enter monitoring data for. And while each seat of eNET Select software can be used for multiple machines, it is recommended for use with up to a max of 6 machines per seat. Next, under the current info section, we see the data displayed for part number, job number, operator, and cycle count. The clickable buttons on the right-hand side allow for changes to be made by the operator. And we can even click Add Bad Part to instantly record a scrap part for the live OEE tracking displayed on the eNET machine monitoring dashboards. Moving to the machine status section, the current status of the selected machine is displayed along the top, while below there are buttons for reporting a downtime reason or for just changing the current status of this machine. The color code is customizable, as are the machine status reasons to be displayed. There's even an option for adding a comment for providing additional info whenever this machine's current status is changed. Next, let's take a look towards the bottom of the screen where there is another tab which allows users to access the DNC user interface. In the machine section, there is a drop-down menu where you can first select your machine. Then, under the DNC options, we can locate the correct file we want to download to this machine, either by entering the CNC program name in the search bar or by browsing the directory for the file we want to download. You can even search a subdirectory if necessary to find the correct CNC program. Then, once you select your program, just click Download to Machine to automatically queue up your serial RS-232 CNC file transfer in the main eNET software. Then all you need to do is hit Read and Execute on your CNC control, and your program download will begin. The last tab at the bottom of the UI is for choosing messaging, which allows for direct messaging between any users with access to a seat of eNET Select. You can also choose to send any related documents to another user, such as part blueprints or setup sheets. This has been eNET Select. If you have any remaining questions or would like to set up a live demo of eNET Select for your team, please call us at 414-817-7070 or send an email to luke@portcnc.com. Thank you.